Good morning, student. So here I am with another problem on development of surfaces of solid. This time a cone. The problem will be like this: a cone of base diameter 60 mm and axis 75 height is kept on the ground on its base. An AIP inclined 45 degree to HP cuts the cone through the midpoint of the axis. Draw the development of the lateral part of the cone. As we know that development of a cone is a sector of a circle, and the angle that is made by that sector will depend on the base diameter, or you can say the base radius, and slant height. So initially what we have done, we have started with the top view, and after drawing XY we have drawn the top view, that will be a circle of 60 mm diameter, and then the height of the cone, that will be 75 mm. So I have drawn its front view, and we can dimension it like this. So this is 75 and this is 60 mm. After drawing the front view and top view, now we want to develop this. If I want to open, then we need the real length of the generator. As you know that in the front view, this O-1' and O-7' both are showing true length. So with O' as center and O-7' radius, I have opened this like an arc, and then again I mark this first, that is the line O1. Actually I am cutting the cone from this corner, extreme left side, as we have already done always. Now with the help of this formula you can find out the theta angle of that sector of the circle, that is small r upon capital R into 2 pi radians, where small r will be the radius of the base circle and base of the cone, and capital R will be the slant height, that is this O-7'. In this figure the length of O-7' will be 80 mm. So if you put this formula, then the theta will be 30 upon 82 into 360 degree. You can easily find out that with the help of calculator. Then I will open this with the help of this theta angle, and another method for doing that will be, you can divide this circle into 12 parts and mark the generators 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Shift all these points in the front view. You can get 2 dash, 3 dash, 5, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 8, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and 12 dash. Draw all the generators. Now you can also use this method which we have used earlier. Pick this one length, that is from 6 to 7 or 5 to 6, and 12 times mark that. That will be almost equals to this theta. So you can easily find out the theta value. Now for the development, as you see that, now this solid, this is the complete development of the complete cone. When the cone will be complete, now this solid will be cut by a section plane AIP. Again you know that AIP will be a plane which is perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP. So we are going to cut it in the front view. So front view will be cut, and again bisecting the axis. So go upside on the axis at the midpoint of the axis and cut it like this by 45 degree. So now this is the part of the cone that is available with us, and actually we want to develop this part. Now as you see that this section plane will be cutting all the generators of the cone, and this angle will be 45 degree. It is cutting all the generators of the cone. Just do not name again these points, just shift the points from here. In this figure again, the extreme corner, the generator in the extreme corner, that is O-7' and O-1' both are showing the true length. जो एक्सट्रीम वाली जनरेटर आप जानते हैं वही ट्रू लेंथ शो करती है, तो वहाँ पे मैं चाहूँ तो उसकी लेंथ डायरेक्टली मार्क कर सकता हूँ. लेकिन अगर इनसाइड वाली एजेस को आप देखें तो इनसाइड वाली एजेस ट्रू लेंथ शो नहीं कर रही हैं. तो उसके लिए जैसे हमने लास्ट टाइम पिरामिड में किया था, this value will be coming 132 degree. जैसे हमने पिरामिड में किया था, हमने क्या किया था कि जितनी भी पॉइंट्स थे उनको उस वाली एज पे शिफ्ट किया था जिसकी लेंथ ट्रू हो. तो यहाँ पे मुझे ये करना है, ये 1 के जनरेटर को मैं यहाँ से 1 पे शिफ्ट कर O7 पे शिफ्ट करूँगा, फिर नेक्स्ट वाला फिर ये नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है, देखिए पैरेलल लाइन जस्ट आपको जाना है पैरेलल टू द बेस लाइन। इस तरीके से इन सारे पॉइंट्स को मैंने कहाँ ट्रांसफर कर दिया, ऑन ओ डैश एंड 7 डैश। अब ये जो लेंथ मिल रही है मुझे ओ डैश से, ये दिस इज द ट्रू लेंथ ऑफ ओ डैश 1 डैश। नेक्स्ट विल बी पॉइंट ऑन द 2 and 12, तो ये 2 12 की है, फिर 3 11, फिर 4 10, 4 10 के बाद 5 9 6 8 एंड फाइनली 7। ये सारे पॉइंट्स मुझे आर्क से शिफ्ट करने हैं, जस्ट कंपास पिक करिए।